noise Bruno makes when he eats a bone. So all three of them I gave a bully stick. And there were leftovers from JJ's neutering surgery. We still have some left. But that's the noises he makes when he eats the bully sticks. And he takes his time to find a space where nobody disturb him. He hasn't found a space yet. Usually he goes on the little dog bed over there. Let's go listen to his noises. He also has a strange noise when he eats bone, bully stick. The excitement of chewing on a bully stick. And what will JJ do? Let's go find him. And he usually just goes on the big dog bed and eats his bone there. Oh, we already get soft parts. Yeah, I already get soft parts. Mama have already to cut it? No, it's okay. And he just has munchy noises. He doesn't sound like the other two. Especially, I don't know if you can hear it in the background. That's Bruno. Bruno gets very excited chewing a bone. Like I said, he just has little smacky, snacky, smacky noises he makes. And look at his paw. They are using their paws quite a lot when they have a bully stick. But he's really holding his bully stick down. And he's holding his bully stick down. But he's making just the cutest little noises. He's so excited. Yeah, yeah, he's so excited. There you go. Put your paws on it. Hold it down. And of course, he's using his paws too. Paws and noises, sounds.